welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Confusion and condolences messages are pouring in for Ami Faku. This happened after she posted her achievement on Twitter captioned Lala Ngoxolo, 250 streams in 1 week. That is her song. Someone misinterpreted the whole information and posted on Facebook that Ami Faku passed away on a car accident. The person actually translated the song Lala Ngoxolo to rest in peace, Ami Faku. After all this information, guys, Ami Faku cleared the air and explained that she's not dead, she's fine, she's not injured or hospitalized. Guys, social media is cruel and full of drama, you know. I saw her trending with Lala Ngoxolo and I was so confused. I'm glad she is fine. Ami Faku is not the first celebrity to face a fake death allegation. The likes of Sophie Ndaba, Menzi Ngubane were once reported dead by social media. Check what other people are saying on Twitter. Ami Faku bathi ushiyile noba badidwe ilangoma kalala ngoxolo. Then she responded by saying bamuncu. Then the other one said Ami Faku, she had accident today. Guys, you must not do this. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.